focusing on MFine. In today's video, we will see how to prepare ORS solution at home. ORS solution मतलब oral rehydration solution. इसका इस्तेमाल तब होता है when a person is suffering from diarrhea. It is very simple to prepare at home and it helps a person to not go into dehydration. To prepare ORS solution at home, you require 1 liter of water, 6 teaspoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. This is 1 liter of filtered water. This is 1 teaspoon, that is 5 grams. I will mix all the 3 ingredients to prepare the ORS solution. Let's prepare this ORS solution, that is oral rehydration solution. I am adding salt, I am adding sugar. Once the sugar dissolves, ORS solution is ready to drink. इसका इस्तेमाल जरूर करना है ताकि dehydration नहीं होगा. I hope this video was useful. Keep watching this space for more videos. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and share this video. For more such videos, do subscribe to the MFine channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any update.